For the second semi-final, Venus Odahu from Tenizu Village under Pak District. His opponent, Ranglan 2 from USE, presently residing in USE. His origin is from Myanmar and he hails from Hakka District under Myanmar. He has been 50 US for almost 15 years. The decision given by the referee and judges. The first bout in favor of the wrestler in red waistband, Venus Odahu. The third and deciding bout, the decision given by the judges is still on. Awful. It's still on. The coach, on behalf of Venus Odahu, has protested against the decision of the field judges, and so now we will go for the videography review. There is a decision. The ongoing match is being played between Venus Odahu and Ranglan 2. Both the wrestlers have won a bout each, and for the third bout, the coach on behalf of Venus Odahu protested against the decision of the judges. And this time even, the protest has won. So the match in favor